How old are you and when will you graduate from high school?
I will be 18 when I graduate high school.
And how old are you now?
16.
16, okay. What do you want to do when you're finished with school?
When I finish school, I want to continue to study at university about media because I want to be a journalist.
A journalist, very
Yes.
good. What do you see as any problems in achieving that goal?
Answer in Khmer.
My answer in Khmer is okay.
បញ្ហាដែលធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំពិបាកចិត្តក្នុងការសម្រេចគោលបំណត់របស់ខ្ញុំមានច្រើនដូចជាបញ្ហាជីវភាពគ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំមានជីវភាពមិនសូវទូធាដូច្នេះក្នុងការទិញសម្ភារៈប្រើប្រាស់មានការពិបាកមួយទៀតបញ្ហាបច្ចេកវិទ្យាព័ត៌មានបច្ចេកវិទ្យាការរៀនកុំព្យូទ័រជំនាញកុំព្យូទ័រនិងភាសាបរទេសដូចជាអង់គ្លេសជាដើមបញ្ហាដែលសំខាន់មួយទៀតគឺសាលារៀនឆ្ងាយពីផ្ទះធ្វើឲ្យមានការពិបាកក្នុងការធ្វើដំណើរហើយសាលារៀនដែលខ្ញុំរៀនអត់សូវល្អមិនសូវមានការប្រកួតប្រជែងខ្ពស់ដូច្នេះធ្វើឲ្យចំណេះដឹងរបស់ខ្ញុំមិនសូវទូលំទូលាយ
Why do you think to be a journalist you need to study English? This is Cambodia, they speak Khmer. Why do you need to speak English so well?
I study English because I want to be a journalist. I want to write news in English also, and I want to get the news all around the world to the foreign people read it.
Yeah, that would be good. How are you overcoming all those problems?
In Khmer also. ដើម្បីដោះស្រាយបញ្ហាទាំងនោះខ្ញុំសម្រេចចិត្តចាក់ចេញពីផ្ទះដែលរស់នៅក្នុងកោះកេរហើយមករៀននៅក្នុងខេត្តសៀមរាបនេះដោយមានការឧបត្ថម្ភពីមូលនិធិលីបញ្ញារីដែលមូលនិធិនេះបានជួយជ្រោមជ្រែងក្នុងការសិក្សារបស់ខ្ញុំជាច្រើនដូចជាបានឲ្យខ្ញុំទទួលបាននៅចំណេះដឹងខាងផ្នែកកុំព្យូទ័រអង់គ្លេសនិងជួយទំនុកបម្រុងផ្នែកសម្ភារៈសិក្សាផ្សេងៗជាច្រើនទៀត
I see you study quite hard. That's the other thing you do to overcome your problems. You work hard. Yeah. What village are you from?
I come from Koke village in Preah province.
How far is that from Siem Reap?
It's far 100 kilometer.
100 kilometers.
If by the car, maybe 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah. I remember when we came to Koke village to start the school at there, and you were how old then? What grade were you in when PLF came to Koke?
When PLF come to Koke, maybe I'm grade 1 and my age 6 to 70.
Yeah, years old. I have known you a long time.
Yeah.
What is the biggest problem for you living far away from home?
The biggest problem I live far away from home is I leave my parents, my sibling, and ខ្វះភាពកក់ក្ដៅពីពួកគាត់អត់សូវបានទទួលភាពកក់ក្ដៅហើយពេលទំនេរពីការសិក្សាខ្ញុំអត់មានពេលដើម្បីជួយធ្វើកិច្ចការផ្ទះរបស់គាត់
What is your favorite thing about living in Siem Reap?
អ្វីដែលខ្ញុំពេញចិត្តនៅក្នុងការរស់នៅក្នុងខេត្តសៀមរាបគឺប្រព័ន្ធអប់រំនៅក្នុងខេត្តសៀមរាបប្រព័ន្ធអប់រំគឺមានភាពល្អប្រសើរដូចជាការសិក្សាមានការប្រកួតប្រជែងខ្លាំងដែលធ្វើឲ្យសិស្សអ្នកមានការខិតខំព្យាយាមរៀនសូត្រដើម្បីក្លាយជាសិស្សពូកែមួយទៀតនៅក្នុងខេត្តសៀមរាបមានសាលារៀនច្រើនបង្ហាត់ដូចជាស សាលាអង់គ្លេសនិងជំនាញកុំព្យូទ័រដែលធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំមានឱកាសបានរៀនច្រើនជាងនៅក្នុងជនបទហើយពិសេសការជីវភាពរស់នៅវាមានភាពងាយស្រួលពេលយើងត្រូវការទិញរបស់របរសម្ភារៈអីប្រើប្រាស់ដោយសារ
You had to give up a lot of things to come to study here. I wish that you could stay at home and still have all of the things that are in the city at your place. That would be like heaven, huh? Yeah. Can you tell us what is a normal day for you?
A normal day for me, the first thing I focus for study. I get up at 5:30, and then prepare my body, go to eat breakfast
Yeah.
at 5:45 maybe, and then I go to study part time at 6 to 7. After that, I go to study at state school from 7 to 12. From 12 to 1, that is my time for relax. I have to eat lunch and sleep for relax 15 minutes, and then take a shower for go to study part time 1 to 5. After I study part time at 5 o'clock, I continue to study computer 5 to 6, and then go to study English 6 to 7:30. Between the day I study English, I take time to study Korean also from 6 to 7:30 same. And then I come home, take a shower, eat dinner, and talk to my friend, and do homework, do some exercises, and go to sleep until 11.
Go to sleep at 11.
Yes.
And you do that schedule Monday until Saturday? Monday to Friday?
Monday to Saturday.
To Saturday.
Yes.
So Sunday is your only free time?
On Sunday, normally I get up late
Good.
because I'm tired, and then I do some gardening all around dormitory.
Yeah.
And in the evening, I go to study social media, format a video.
Study media.
Yes.
Your group is making a video right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I can't wait to see it. If you didn't have the chance to come to Siem Reap to study, could you tell maybe what your life would be like now?
My friend that did not come to study, now they do farming and nothing to do except farming.
Except fine.
Okay. ខ្ញុំចង់និយាយទៅកាន់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់ឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមានការតស៊ូក្នុងការសិក្សារៀនសូត្រទោះបីជាត្រូវឃ្លាតឆ្ងាយពីឪពុកម្ដាយមករស់នៅឆ្ងាយពីផ្ទះហើយរៀនសូត្រយ៉ាងណាក៏ដោយកុំបោះបង់ការសិក្សាត្រូវព្យាយាមដើម្បីអនាគតយើង Please find.
Good. Thank you. Thanks for talking with us today.
Yes, thank you too.
Okay.
This is computer lab where I study computer.